What would you say if I told you there was a place that was less than a mile from Disney that had shopping, restaurants, and entertainment, and you could do it all for less than it cost at Disney? Would that be something you were interested in? Come along as we explore Sunset Walk. I've brought you a video about Sunset Walk before. It's been about 2 years since I did a video. Jen and I like this area. I've been here the last 2 St. Patrick's Days in a row. We come for special events. They do a lot of really cool stuff. One of the things that's really cool about the promenade at Sunset Walk is that this is the home to all those things I mentioned earlier: shopping, entertainment, restaurants. It's also home to the water park, Island H2O, and the Margaritaville Resort, along with some new stuff that's being built, some more timeshares, and a new Topgolf concept, which seems like that would be a pretty cool addition. So along with having the Margaritaville Resort, which is standard sort of hotel rooms, which I have brought you before, we'll bring a little bit of footage of that into this video. There's also available the Margaritaville Villas, which are the Margaritaville residences. You can buy them as a timeshare, or you can actually live there full time. They're cottages. I think they go from 2 bedrooms all the way up to 8 bedrooms, kind of island themed. They're real close together. They're not cheap, but we'll go back there and take a look at those here in a bit.
Small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.
Okay, so we got our food. Rick got the brisket, and then got mac and cheese, and what's the other side?
Twice baked potatoes.
Twice baked potatoes, and I guess it comes with a roll. You got a little barbecue sauce. I got the 3-piece dark meat because I'm a dark meat chicken fan. I got the Mexican street corn, the baked mac and cheese, and I got some banana pudding. We're gonna start with the sides first. Mac and cheese. They told me the mac and cheese was one of the better sides. It's kind of Kraft-esque. Street corn is good though. Okay, but to the real star of the show, the chicken. It's hot. It's tender. It's got good flavor. So I'm pretty happy with that. Let's try the roll. This smells like school cafeteria rolls, so that's a good sign. It's not quite as good as school cafeteria rolls, but it is a good wheat roll. And just because I'm about to turn the camera off and start eating, I'm gonna go ahead and try the banana pudding. We'll give them fair attempts. It's okay. It's not as good as my favorite in Orlando, but it's not bad. Not bad. All right, how's yours, Rick?
The brisket's good. I would say I agree with the mac and cheese. It's not the best. I mean, I'd had better mac and cheese at Chick-fil-A, but the potatoes are good. I mean, that's definitely the better of the 2 sides. And the rolls, average. But, I mean, I would say for the price, a little steep for what you get. Overall, it's average.
So there's not a ton of like national retailer kind of stuff here at Sunset Walk, but this Skechers store is one of them. Over in this space, they're gonna open a new hot pot restaurant, K-Pot, coming soon. Jen and I have tried several times to be able to eat here at the wharf, and it just never worked out, usually because we come when it's really, really busy without a reservation. So as I mentioned earlier, Jen and I have been here for several special events, and they always have a band out here. This is where everybody congregates. There's plenty of tables out here, but when events happen, people bring their chairs with them and just set them up everywhere, and this whole area gets just inundated with people. So this is Estefan Kitchen. This is the restaurant that Gloria Estefan and her husband opened up once they closed the restaurant Bongos at Disney Springs. This outside bar is proximity to the stage we were just talking about. So during event nights, that bar is kicking. Also, if you're a Jimmy Buffett fan or a fan of Margaritaville on SiriusXM, this is where they broadcast that station from all the time. So here you are seeing it live in person. game time. We just walked through there. I said it reminded me of a Dave and Buster's, and Rick said
It was very generic. I would much rather go to Dave & Buster's.
Dave, but of course. But you know, the thing about this area, if you're staying at the Margaritaville Resort, or you are staying in one of the villas, or you own the villa, this is an easy thing to just walk up and have lots of different stuff to do. So if you don't want to have a day at the parks or a day at the pool, you got plenty of stuff to do here. So Yeoman's Cask and Lion is currently down for renovations. It's been down for renovations for a while now. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I'm looking forward to it opening back up on another one of the entertainment complexes here at Sunset Walk. It's the Studio Movie Grill. This is one of the places where you can order food and have it delivered to your chair in the movies. And they also have a bar inside and a nice patio out here as well. All right, so from here you can see Yeoman's, which we talked about is under a refurbishment at the moment. Capone's, which was a pizza place that was right next to it, completely gutted. So I don't know what's going on over here, but from where we're standing right now, we're by the Slingshot. And then if you look back this direction, you can't really see it from where I'm standing, there's the Margaritaville Resort. So I've brought you the Margaritaville Resort before, so I'm not going to cover the entire resort today, but I thought we would at least walk back over there in case you haven't seen it, so you can see the lobby, and we'll look out the back so you can see sort of the pool area.
It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Thank you for coming along today on this trip through Sunset Walk. We walked through and saw some of the shops, restaurants, bars, and entertainment options available. We walked to the Margaritaville Resort and looked at some of the cottages. This is a great alternative to Disney Springs on an open evening of your vacation. Or if you're looking for a cool new resort off Disney property, then look no further than the Margaritaville Resort. As always, thank you for your support. If never lost, then never found. So go get lost.